seguir viviendo, yo quiero verte sufrir. Si tú me quieres dejar, yo no quiero sufrir. Contigo me voy, mi santa, aunque me cueste morir.
Hi, I'm CaptainSalsa, and I have for you amazing tips for release your arm, for prepare your hand, arm, shoulders for dance. Just take a beanbag, whatever, you can take what you want, and move like this. Use your elbow, feel the weight of something, feel the wrist, and look. From this moment, just push, throw your beanbag, then twist, grab, and from your elbow, straighten arm, and feel in the wrist the weight of the beanbag. Like that. This position, not too high, this level. One more time, slowly. And push from your elbows. That's it. Feel the corset, of course. One more time. Throw and throw and. This is awesome exercise because you will start understand how works your arm together with the whole body. You can faster, and you can change the arm. You can change the position. And everything, if you want know more, you can find in my CaptainSalsa Academy. You can throw like that, and you will understand more. And I hope so that this exercise will do a lot of good for your body. See you next time.